Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write poem for my father in English. This is a very beautiful poem and you can write and recite it on the occasion of Father's Day or on the birthday of your father. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Thank you so much, dear Dad. Thank you so much, dear Dad, for all the love and care you have had. Through the highs and the lows, through the highs and the lows, your love is there that always shows. In your teachings, I find my guide. In your teachings, I find my guide. With you, there is nothing I can't bide. Your gentle hands and caring heart, your gentle hands and caring heart have been my shield right from the start. Teaching lessons big and small, teaching lessons big and small, you have always caught me when I would fall. In your words, I find my peace. In your words, I find my peace. With you, my worries always cease. In my heart, you will always stay. In my heart, you will always stay. Dad, you light up my every day.